Today I will show you guys how to download and install Intellij. Intellij is this tool, ID tool, is for software development purpose. People are using it. There is the Eclipse ID also out there, but I think Intellij is more popular to developer and QA, all other purpose for people using for coding purpose and very advanced, and communication with Git on other feature is very easy. So let's do it, guys. Start downloading and install the Intellij. So guys, just go to the any browser, just write down download Intellij. So if you write down download Intellij, you will be see here version where is the supporting Windows, Macs, and Linux. So I have a Mac. If you have Windows, click the Windows button, and if you have Mac, click the Mac OS. And if you want to use for Linux, so click the Linux. So I have a Mac OS, so I will click the Mac OS. And now there is a ultimate download free trial, guys. Remember that this is the free trial for certain time. This is not a free version. After a few days or after 1 month, you guys have to pay for it. But who are professional, I mean, who want to learn more advanced stuff, who want to do heavy coding, I mean, they should buy this ultimate version. For me, a community version is okay, guys, for beginner or who learning purpose. I mean, community version is not bad at all. Now I'm going to show you how to download community. Both are same way you can download. So if I click the community version, it's totally free, guys. Choose the community version, and you'll be see if this ID is downloading, DMG file downloading. So little bit you have to learn about Intellij, how to operate it. It's not easy like Eclipse. I mean, Eclipse is good, but a lot of feature is missing there. And if you want to handle the GitHub, I mean, I think Intellij is very good tool. You can use the GitHub for communicating purpose. I mean, coding push and pull purpose. So my ID is downloading here. Let's see what's going on. A few minutes before that, what is Intellij? So you can go support or version. You can find out over here. And it will learn a little bit about Intellij. Is important. I mean, you want to use this tool, learn something about that, learn, study about this tool. Okay, my download almost done. Let me double click it. So it's done. Yes, done. So I'm double click it. DMG file is opening. Let's open it. So, okay, is open. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drag and drop, put to the application folder. If you don't want to put application folder, put any other folder. But I keep it my things in the application folder. So that's good for me. So it's copying. After this copying done, you double click the application and go inside the application, you will see Intellij ID already downloaded. So double click it. After double click it, you will be see this ID is opening. It's somewhere here. Yeah, you see somewhere here is opening. So what I can do, I can open. Is opening, and I right click here, keep it in dock. I mean, I'm gonna use it. So let's see. What's going on? Okay, it's here. So my Intellij already installed, download and install already happened. So now you can create a project, you can import a project. If you want to know how to create a project, my new video is coming about Java advanced learning course from beginning to advanced. So please keep an eye in my next video. You'll be seeing in YouTube subscription version in the future. I will be shown on my channel where I can post my new video. There is some video about QA testing purpose, guys. If you want, please take a look. and there's my some code in the GitHub. There's a link is there. That's it for today, guys. I mean, we will be soon for next video. I will be pushed for new next video, guys. Feel free to comment and feel free to ask any question. If you have any question, just comment it. I'll be answering it. Thank you so much.